What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to go over my $21,000 crypto portfolio. And I know that a lot of people are probably saying, hey, that's not 21,000, that's 18,500. You're kind of pushing it a little bit with these titles and thumbnails. Well, guess what? I have some money that's in Coinbase, not just Coinbase Pro. So I have some sitting here and I also have some sitting in Coinbase Pro. So total is around 21,000. And I wanted to break down why I have some of these, some of my more popular plays, some of the ones that I believe in more, and some that I'm going to put more money into as we go along. So before we get started, guys, hit the like button, also hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one, and make sure that you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of my links in the description as well as my channels if you guys want to support any of my other channels. But let's talk about crypto. Because I did one of these at $12,000 when I had a $12,000 portfolio, but now it has grown. I added some more to the crypto portfolio, but I really can't tell exactly how much it has grown because I have added some. I just know that it is growing. I am adding on multiple thousands of dollars into or onto the portfolio, and it was a lot better as of yesterday, but crypto kind of decreased. So I wanted to show you as of today, as you see all of the prices over right behind me, you're going to see a lot of these prices decrease by 4%, 5%, 7%, 5%, 3%, 8%. It's just crazy the way crypto has been decreasing today. But let's talk about some of the ones that I do feel like have potential and some good movers for me. So let's start out with the ones that I hold the most of, which is, balance wise. I guess it would be Harvest Finance, Farmcoin. Farmcoin is a big one for me because it does have 600,000 coins or 700,000 total coins available, which gives it the full potential to grow to endless levels as long as we end up seeing a lot of hold time with it. Now, they really don't have any type of, benefits to, holding it for a long time. Like you're getting long existing benefits like 5% interest or anything like that from what I understand. But with the potential that it has behind it, this is the reason why I am holding it. Currently, it's at $232. Now, there are other positions that have more coins out there that have 1 million, 2 million, 10 million that are actually sitting at around $500. One example would be Compound. Compound is one of those ones that, is sitting at $429 and it has 5 million coins, I believe, or 10 million coins, one of the two. And I think it's 5 million, but it's sitting at about $500. And Harvest has literally like 20%, 10% of it. I don't know how much they actually have, how much Compound actually has, but you're sitting at about 10%, 20% of the total supply that Compound has, but the price is a lot lower. Why? Is because the typical hold time is not high. So people are gaining what they want to gain out of farm and then getting out of it. For me, I'm looking for a lot more. So I'm looking for that to grow to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. With the low supply, it makes sense why this would end up getting to higher and higher levels. We've seen other coins that have gotten to those levels, especially ones that are really popular, like Finance, like Harvest Finance. The next one that I have, which is I'm holding 3,000 of, is Internet Computer. Internet Computer, I know a lot of people laugh at that name. I laugh at that name because it's just like Internet Computer. I don't know. It's just very generic. But still, it has gotten to a level of $750 before. Am I looking for it to get to $750? I would love for it to get to $750, but most likely I will sell before then. I'm looking for this position to get up to a range of $200 to $300. And then after that, that's where we will see a little bit of a pullback until it gains a lot of popularity. So people are holding this. The typical hold time is up for Internet Computer. And this is why I am buying into that position and why I hold 50 right now. I would love to hold more, but I didn't buy enough when it was at its lower levels. So I'm sitting on 50 right now and I'm okay with where it is. Now, and I'm up quite a bit on what I bought it at because I bought it at like $30. So it's currently double what I actually invested at. And I'll continue to see that make its moves on the way up. And hopefully we can get to 120 and 200, 220, 300. I would love to get to that point just to basically pocket thousands and put it into other positions. Clover Finance is another one that has a low supply. Most of the plays that I'm looking for have a lower supply. As you see here, my account went from 18,000 18,500 to 18,700, 18,800, right? You're seeing it fluctuate quite a bit. And it's all because I'm looking at things that have lower supply. Yes, I do have some that have higher supply where I put lower amounts of money into and looking for a bigger movement, I guess. And we'll get into those in a little bit. But Clover Finance is one of those ones that actually has, I can't remember exactly how many. I think it might be like 120 or 130 million coins available. Max is like 400 or something like that, or 500. I don't really know exactly what the level is. I can't remember what it is. But it is, on the higher side compared to some of these other, popular coins that are out there, right? But Clover Finance right now has a full capability of getting to crazier levels. Right now it's at $1.44, and historically it has been at like $44 or so. I'm currently holding 1,000 coins. I would like to hold more. If it does go lower, I will hold more because I do believe in where this can go. And it's all based on like speculation. Most of my plays are based on speculation for crypto because that's really all you can do. You can have a use case, but that's not really what I like to live by, because I like to live by potential. And if it does show that potential from where I'm investing in at the lows, it makes sense to get into some of those positions. And it has worked out for me so far. The next position that I have here is Litecoin. That kind of speaks for itself. It doesn't really have that much supply. It gives it a full capability of going to higher and higher figures. I have 8 coins, would love to have 10. So if that finds a way to go lower, which I don't know if it will, because it's one of those ones that are more stable than any other coin, then I'll probably buy some more, and maybe I'll just buy some more for the hell of it. Just get 1 or get 2 more so that I can hold an even 10. Cardano, I hold 500. Obviously, we all know where Cardano can go. People are saying that this can get to levels of where Ethereum actually is, not the price point, the market cap. And if it does, it's going to easily get into the $10, $20, $30 or something like that if it does get to those levels. It's kind of comparable because you look at the whole time that's on Cardano and it's around 70 plus days, close to 80 days, I believe, which means that people are holding this. They're holding on to this position and waiting for this to make it a large move or actually being able to use it to pay for things. It's just definitely going to be up there. Right now, it's 3rd on the list when it comes to market cap, and it just looks solid. ACH is another one that I do believe in. A lot of these positions here, ACH, Anchor, AMP, those are all positions that I do believe in as well. I hold about $1,000 of, Anchor, ACH, Gitcoin, all of these right there. And those are positions that are more speculative than anything, just because you don't really know the usability behind a lot of these things after you start getting out of, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano. You start getting out of the realm of those, then you start moving more towards that speculative play. But yeah, I mean, all in all of these plays, I'm not going to go through everything. All of these plays just, I feel like they fit me. Some of them I probably can pull out of and I don't believe in as much. I do like storage, but I don't think that storage is probably the best play. But anything can happen. This is what I do believe in when it comes to crypto, is that you put it in a lot of different positions. Anything could happen with those positions, and just, let it play out, right? I do own Dogecoin. I own about, 292 Dogecoin. Again, I had more, and I probably will have more if we see this continue to increase, decrease, because it did get down to 27 cents. I would like to see it at 25 or 24, and then I'll make my move back in there. I'm not going to buy as much as I did have. I did make money off of it, but I'm not going to buy as much as I did have. I'm looking for more plays with other plays that have potential to quadruple or 10x or even 100x at times. Now let's get into some things that are on Coinbase, because I don't want to sit here and make this a 45-minute long video. But you can see I transferred everything to Coinbase Pro. As you could see, it got up to about 16,000 or so, and then I transferred it over. But I did buy some plays over in Coinbase just to be able to gain some interest off of it. Now, 3 positions that I bought, I talked about yesterday, was Algo, ATOM, and I bought XTZ. I bought these positions and let them gain interest. Now, from what I'm understanding with Coinbase, is that the interest is reset, I believe, every day, because, it was at like 27 cents yesterday. And then I woke up this morning and it was sitting at about like 14 cents or something like that. And then I started to earn interest on some of these positions here. And then you started to see Cosmos make some, get it up to 38 cents. And you've seen Algo make some. XTZ end up making some as well, about 5 cents, 10 cents. These are all more interest related plays in what I can gain from it. And we want to see how that plays out as I have all of these plays that gain some sort of interest that I can, pocket, and see how that does play in. Because right now I have about $2,000, $2,500 set in Coinbase, and I would like to have about 10, maybe 20, depending on how much I gain out of the stock market or how much I gain out of other crypto plays. I would like to set up some interest earning plays. But that's my portfolio, guys. Let me know what you think about my portfolio. It's $21,000, and I will continue to do these updates as we go along, as we start to see different milestones, as we break, like we broke 20,000. I was going to do one at 15, but I broke that very easily up to about 16. But once we break some of these milestones, it will be really good to be able to give you guys this information. So let me know what you think about my crypto portfolio. Should I be investing in more Bitcoin and Ethereum? I really don't have much. I have most of my Ethereum, actually all of my Ethereum, in my MetaMask wallet, to where I'm actually moving things back and forth and trying to create liquidity for my own cryptocurrency, and hopefully am able to get that off and running. But that's a whole different story. But guys, hit the like button on this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being a part of the community, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.